our main product, rotary screen buckets, and our company Mingde. Mingde is a well-known global enterprise in the R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service. The excavators, attachments, and the wheel loader attachments, bulldozer attachments. Mingde is started from the 2007. After 13 years developed, we have more than 9 series products and 100 products. Like the buckets, rotary screen buckets, crusher buckets, the drum cutters, gravels, and cuttings, demolition series. Also, we have them. And here I'm standing in the excavator attachment excavation hose. Look around. This one is the drum cutters and water cutters, gravels, demolition series, and the other side is the bucket series, Zombie crusher and screen buckets, the crusher buckets, and the rotary screen bucket. I will show this. Product is the hot product. We have the 5 models of it. This one is for 6 to 8 tons excavators. This bigger ones is for 20 to 30 tons, and this one is for 30 tons to 36 tons excavators. We have another 2 models put here. The smallest one is for 2 to 5 tons excavators, and the middle ones is for 12 to 18 tons excavators. And here, the 3 ones I will introduce one by one. Small. Let's start the small ones. These ones, we have the drums, the cones, drum cut drums, and you can see its structures. There are no teeth on it. If you want teeth, we can also put them on it. Let me show you its dimensions. The diameters of it, about 700 millimeters, and the depths also 700 millimeters. The depths. So it can load too many materials on it. And as you see, there are little things on it. It is fixed the net side, the net steels. As you can see, we have it, so the net steels is changeable. Whenever you want size of 2 millimeters, 20 millimeters, 10 millimeters, we can also supply it. Any net steel, we can also do it for you. And the main materials is we call AM400. It's a wear-resistant steels. And the structures is the Q345 and the Q460. It's very strong steels to use to select the materials. And you see that circles structures. It's our motors. Here is our motors, hot dogs. If you want the hot dog steels, just tell us. We can also use the steel on it. And this, if you want to know what's the function of it, I will tell you later. And here's there are little rollers to support the drum. Here is the rollers to support the drum rotary very well. The rotary screen bucket structure is very simple, so we can easy to maintain it, and it's the efficiency is very well. Also, we have the changeable air resistance. Look at here. There's a bolt on the air plate and the bucket. So if you have different kind of the activators like caterpillars, tobacco, and Komatsu, they has different air size. Just tell us, we can change it for you. And the next ones, the bigger ones, is for 20 tons activators. As you see, this ones has cheese. It has cheese and has the angles. The angles is about 13 degrees. And you see the smaller ones, it's a level. There's no cheese on it. As I said before, if you want cheese, we can also add it. This drum is very big. Let's see the diameters. Hey. Yeah, it's about 1,070 and 300 millimeters. It's a wide open, so it can load more materials to select it. You can select the topsoils, excavating soils, coals, and the sand and the stones. You can also use it. If you want small size stones, coals, and sand, you can choose your material size and tell us. We will make a bigger size than your materials. The bigger materials will stay on the rotary screen bucket, and the smaller ones will outside. I will show you in a living videos. And as you see, the net size is bigger. It's about 50 millimeters. Yeah, this one is 50 millimeters, and this side is also 50 millimeters, and this one is about 10 millimeters. So if you want a different size, just tell us. We can do it for you. This circle structures in the motors. The motor have special structure. You can also use it in the water or in the rain day. This one's the motor inside. It can also protect our motors very well. So if you use it in the water, it's okay and no problem. And look at here. Here is a very well levels to select its oil flow to protect the motor second time. Yeah, the bolt, so we cannot open it to see motors. Our motor is the joint venture brand. It's the function is very stable, so you can also use it very well. Don't worry it. The materials, this one's in materials is Q345 and Q460. The metal size materials is AM400. If you want hot dogs, we can also do it for you. I support the AM400 is very good to do it. Look at here. It is also have a changeable air plate and the pins. And the pins is also changeable pins. And here's this one's is the changeable bushings. So if your size is 200 millimeters, 210 and 10 millimeters, or 300 millimeters, we can also do. And the biggest ones is for 30 tons to 36 tons excavators. This one is the best ones because the net size is the smallest. It's about 1 millimeters. Let me see. Yeah. Look at here. It's 1 millimeters. So if you want to use it to wash the sand in the waters, wash the coal in the waters, you can also choose it because the motors and the net size and the whole structures is very well. Oh, it's a little dark. Yeah, this one also have teeth. If you don't want teeth, just tell us. We can also choose it. Here also have the changeable air plates. There are the bolt on it. If your air plate is not this, if you have your own air plate, you can also tell us. We can make it for you at your drawings. This one also the changeable pins, bushings. Wow, this bushing is fixed, but we can do changeable. And this one's the main structures is Q345 and Q460. The net size is the wear resistance AM400. If you want to ask why we choose the AM400 net steels, I will say we have more than 13 years experience attachment manufacturers. We have a lot of experience to make them. This one materials is the best one to do it. Okay, let's go to its work videos to see how it works. The main product we can use to select the soil, sand, stones, or the waste, if you have stone yard, you can use it because it can select the small and bigger stones with it. Smaller one will outside the bucket, and the bigger one will stay in it. Okay, let us see some other product in our exhibition halls. Look around. Yeah, this one is the hot dogs bucket. All of them we use the hot dogs steels. It's very, very strong. And the teeth, we use the best brand in China. You can see its name, brand. And here's its numbers. Yeah, 700. Because we are the wear resistance. Okay, let's see the living video. Yeah, this one's with the construction work, the sand, soils, and the small stones will live in it. Yeah, this one is the smallest one to use for 2 tons to 5 tons excavators, and this excavator is 2 tons. The net hole size is 14 tons or 14 millimeters. So the smaller stones, soils will outside it. You can see the rollers support the drums, and the drum rotary very well. The bigger stones will stay in it. Yeah, here is the motors. This one is not have the teeth. We can add teeth and add the set cutters on it. Just tell us your need. This one's wash the sand and stones in the waters, and you work very well. And the net size is very small. Yeah, this one's also wash the sand and stones in the waters. Yeah, look at here. The motor working in the water is very well. Our customers choose 1, 2, and 3 buckets together to the construction work because we are cooperative for a long time. They purchase the buckets is mainly to wash the sand and the stones. Yeah, it's over. So this is a simple introduce of the main product. Next one, I will show you our Mingde living videos. Let's see. This videos is a very simple introduce of our main products and our factories. This is our workshop. Here is a work center. a painting room, bucket weldings. Our hot dog stills, we have a lot of them. Different models of hot dogs. Yeah, we are located in Jilin, Shandong Province. Look here.
Gradually establishes developed after-sales service centers in the United States, Japan, Europe, and Australia. Mingde is gradually establishing a perfect after-sales service team to achieve the goal of customer-centric implementation of time-out and value-added service. With spirit of keeping pace with the times, Mingde people are sparing no efforts and striving to write yours our glorious chapter.
Yeah, this is a simple introduce of our main product, rotary screen brackets, and our factories. Although it's winter in China, but our product is very hot, very popular. If you want to know another product, you can send a message to us. We will introduce them in the next living videos. Thank you.